Let's continue AWS for Snowflake. As part of Master Snowflake, we are learning AWS for Snowflake. In that, let's continue AWS free tier. We just now understand AWS account creation steps practically. Now let's see understanding AWS free tier. Let's say I am a Snowflake developer. I am a Snowflake developer. I want to use AWS S3 and I want to use AWS EC2 system, EC2 service, and I want to use AWS IAM. So these three are very, very important for my uh, Snowflake integration with AWS. These are main important. I want to know, I want to know whether these services comes into free tier or not. If it comes as a free tier, then what are limitations? Such kind of things I want to know. So let's start understanding AWS free tier. So you can see aws.amazon.com/free. You can open this URL in any browser. Let's say I'm opening here. You can see here, you can scroll, you can see under 200 and these are 187, 8 pages. In 8 pages, total 187 services. They are given complete free tier details. You can select each service and you can get more details about free tier. Or, or nowadays we have a powerful, powerful GPT tools like Chat GPT, and we have powerful GPT tools in the market. You can choose any one GPT tool. You can ask GPT about the free tiers and limitations. They connect this kind of websites and they will generate a nice explanation for you. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute.